Hi, my name's Ali. So today we're going to do a review on Jaaxy. So this is a Jaaxy review. It's a software used for keyword research. So we're doing a Jaaxy review. Okay, so let's see. So we have Make Money Online. So it shows your average search. It shows the traffic here, how much traffic you can possibly get, and you have your competition. Now your competition is 242, so that's too high. You don't want that. You basically want a competition that's less than 100. So this is a good keyword here. Let's see, earn money online. It's not too bad, but it's still a little high. Um, make money online now, 107. The competition's decent for that. So, make money online from home. This one's actually a lot better. So you might want to use this one. Make money online from home. So that's also a good one to use. Okay, so Jaaxy has the option of the doing a alphabet soup. So basically, the alphabet soup in Jaaxy just kind of gives you ideas. So make money online. And you can just drag this along and it gives you ideas basically for each letter. So that's your alphabet soup. This is really helpful if you're writing content within your website. Basically gives you keywords that you can use, and you can write content around these keywords. So it just basically helps you to generate more ideas for your content, for whatever you're writing on your website, or other ideas that you might want to do with certain keywords. Okay, so getting back to the alphabet soup, so you don't want to choose something that's not grammatically correct, basically, because people are gonna type in something that makes sense. So you want to focus on ones that are grammatically correct. Now with the site rank, this is basically a very neat tool. You can put in your website. I have here my website. This is a free website. Your business options .siterubex.com. So this is a free website of mine. It can be difficult sometimes to rank a free website because you have. So anyway, if you type in the keywords global dream builders cost. With these keywords, I am in position number 5 on the first page of Google. So that's really good. So my site ranks number 5 with that. If you put in scam, Global Dream Builder scam, my website is on the first page. It ranks in position number 4. So that's also really good. So that's cool. You can also, I think I might be also ranked on um, another keyword here. There's iMac scam. I'm also ranking under iMac, the keywords for iMac, which stands for Internet Marketing, Mentoring, and Coaching Center. So I'm ranking for that. I'm on position number 2 for iMac scam. So that's really cool. So it shows you where your website can rank. Okay, so here under the search analysis, you can view your competition. So here you go to view details, and it shows how many backlinks they have. They have a lot of backlinks on this one. Here the word count is really high for this one, and they have a lot of backlinks also. They have about 423,000 backlinks, and a very good word count. So these would be very hard to compete against, to knock off with Google. See, it shows your competition with Bing.com and Yahoo also. So you can check out your competition on Google, Bing, and Yahoo with the keyword that you choose. Then you have the affiliate programs for the keyword. Okay, so you do make money online for your keyword, and you can view the affiliate programs. Shows the commission that you can possibly make. So you can basically, whatever niche you're searching, you can do some research with the keyword that you choose, whatever niche you want to go into. It shows the commissions that are basically made. Okay, so under the brainstorming, you can basically view what's trending. This is updated daily, so whatever niche you're in, you can make whatever's trending related to your niche, and this can basically spike up your traffic. So you can basically use this to your advantage to see what's trending currently, and you can put it into your content, and you can spike up your traffic. It's updated every so often, and you can basically really use this to your advantage. It changes a lot. These topics, they do change, but it can be to your advantage, with getting a spike in traffic. Okay, so here, this is the pricing page of Jaaxy. This is the membership area. So basically, your starter trial is free. They do give you a starter trial for free, no charge. So you guys can definitely check this out. You get 30 keyword searches, so that's pretty good. 20 search results. You get the affiliate program finder, keyword list manager, so you can manage your list, brainstorming ideas, keyword competition data, affiliate program, 30 site rank analysis scans, website analyzer. So you pretty much get everything with the starter. You just have a low amount of keywords to search for to start with. Now with the Pro, it's $49 a month. So you have more advantages with that. It's unlimited search history. You have search analysis. You have the alphabet soup, site analysis scans, about 2,000 of those. So 2,000 site rank analysis scans. We have the alphabet soup. That's a little limited. It says here 15 per letter. So it's still kind of limited even with the 49 per month. Now with the enterprise plan, it's about $100 per month. Now here you have a lot more to your advantage. You have unlimited keyword lists, and you can do 10,000 site rank analysis scans. So with the enterprise plan, it's obviously better. Now Jaaxy does come completely free if you're with Wealthy Affiliate. Now I'm with Wealthy Affiliate, so I have more advantages for a cheaper price. With Wealthy Affiliate, it's basically a learning platform where you choose a niche, and they basically teach you how to build a website using WordPress. There's keyword research. There's training for Facebook ads, YouTube, Canva. There's an affiliate bootcamp. There's training for building, your own website. You can put different products in your website. They show you how to build a website correctly, the right way. If you are into affiliate marketing or a particular niche or business, they have live webinars every week. They have training on email marketing, YouTube. There's just like a whole list. So with a Wealthy Affiliate, there is a free sign up, so you can check out Wealthy Affiliate for free. There is a free test drive, and you can also check out Jaaxy, completely free. Okay, so see, with a Wealthy Affiliate, the price is different. See, it's free, of course, for the starter. If you have a premium membership with a Wealthy Affiliate, Jaaxy is also free. With the Jaaxy Pro, with a Wealthy Affiliate, it's $19 per month, and the Jaaxy Enterprise with Wealthy Affiliate is $50 per month. So with the regular Jaaxy membership, by itself, without Wealthy Affiliate, the Enterprise is $100 per month, and the Pro is $49 per month. So you see the prices, they are different compared to if you are a member with Wealthy Affiliate. So with Wealthy Affiliate, your Pro is $19 and your Enterprise is about $50 per month. Now without Wealthy Affiliate, the Pro is $49 and your Enterprise is $100. So there is a benefit with Jaaxy alone, as I showed you with the keyword research, and also with being a member with Wealthy Affiliate. You do get Jaaxy, and you do get unlimited training with Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so I'm going to put some links below the video so you guys can check out the Jaaxy keyword research tool. So there will be some links below the video. There's also a link below the video for the free sign up with Wealthy Affiliate, and there's also a link below the video to check out Jaaxy. Now it is free to check out Jaaxy through the link below the video. They do give 30 keyword searches, 20 search results, so you can definitely check out Jaaxy on the starter trial for free. So check out the links below the video, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video.